Okay, now we're going to find out the least common multiple of two numbers. So let's take two numbers like 8 and 12. So there's two ways to do this. One way is to list out all the multiples and find the one that is the least common, and that would be the least common multiple. So I have 8, next is 16, 24, 32. So I'm going to just stop there. I have 12, 24, 36, and if you look carefully, I see that 24 is the first one that appears as a multiple, so that's the least common multiple between 8 and 12. There is another way to do this, and that is to make a factor tree, if you remember. Oops, what a factor tree is. So I have 8 and 12, and I factor out 8. So 8 is 4 times 2, and then 4 I could break apart into 2 times 2. So 8 is 2 to the third power. 12 is 6 times 2, and then I have 2 times 3, so it's 2 to the second power times 3. So let me rewrite this. So 8 is 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed, and 12 was 2 to the second power times 3. So what you do is you look at these numbers, and I look and I see there's a 2 here and a 2 there. So I take the biggest one. So 2 to the third power is bigger, and I times it by, I have a 3 here. You have to use that 3. You can't just leave it. If you have a 3 by itself and there's no 3 in the 8, you still need to use it. So it's 2 to the third power times 3. So if I take 2 to the third power times 3, that's 8 times 3, which is also 24. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try 6 and 9. So I have 6 and 9. So if I write down the multiples, I got 6, 12, 18, 24. For 9, I got 18. I have 27. And if you notice right away, 18 is the least common multiple. But let's try factoring it out. So 6 is 2 times 3, and 9 is 3 times 3. So this is 2 times 3, 6 is, and the 3 times 3 is 3 squared. So if you look at it, I need to use the 2, and then you see the 3's, 3 squared is the bigger one. So if I use that, I have 2 times 3 squared, so it's 2 times 9, which again is 18. Okay, one more. Let's try a different one. Let's try, how about we do 3 and 10. Let's do 7 and 12. 7 and 12 would be good. So I have 7 and 12. Okay, try this at home. Okay, so 7 and 12. So if I do 7 and 12, I can do 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. I'm going to go over here. 42, 49, 56, and let's stop at 63. I have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. So obviously I'm going to have to go higher with the 7. So after 63, I have 70. Then I have 77. Then I have 84. For 72 then, over here for the 12, I could go up 12 more and I would have 84. So 84 is going to be the least common multiple. So that one took a while. And it would look a lot better on your paper because you could go vertically all the way down. I can't on my iPad here. So I have 84. But let's try factoring them. So if I factor at 7, oops, stop. 7's a prime, so I don't go any further. 12 is 2 squared times 3. I factor it out real fast. So I have 2 squared times 3, and then you have to use that 7 times 7. So let's see what that equals. So 2 squared times 3 times 7. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 7 is 8.